Let's make some focaccia bread. I was at my sister's and she wanted some focaccia bread, so I made it for her. And that's 1 3/4 cup of flour, a tablespoon of yeast, a tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, and then whisk that all together. Add half a cup of hot water and about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and I put 1/3 cup of sourdough starter in there. Whisk that all up until it got kind of shaggy looking. And then I used the bread dough hook and let that do its thing for about 5 to 10 minutes until it had a nice soft dough going, looking kind of like that. And then add it to a bowl that was oiled. Let that sit for an hour. And then while I was waiting on that, I got some rosemary out of our garden. Then I took the dough out of the bowl and pressed it into a pan like that. And then I put some garlic and rosemary and some more olive oil on top of that. Started with the olive oil. And it's about, maybe 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And just brush it around till it covers everything. And then you can add your garlic and your rosemary if you like. And you can add other things. You want olives, put olives. If you want some Parmesan cheese, put some Parmesan cheese. Want some feta, put some feta. It's yours. Go nuts. And then you can bake it after it's risen up there for a little bit, maybe about 15, 20 minutes. Bake it at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. And if you want to, put a little more olive oil on top. It's good.